नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी संजीव पेंढारकर माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनल आणि ब्लॉगवर तुमचं स्वागत. टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शेअर विथ यू experiences of one of the best airlines around the globe, and that is Emirates Airline. And my experience with Emirates Airlines is too good. Dear friends, normally when you do not get business class or first class reservation, people get upset because what would be the service in the economy class? But best service provided even in the economy class is Emirates Airlines. I will give you a simple example. When I was traveling through the airlines, not only Emirates Airlines seats are comfortable even in economy class, but air hostess takes a lot of care to serve you with food, soft drinks, or whatever is available on the flight. If you need blanket, they will provide you within no time. You know how much is the load for economy class. But you know, I require sugar-free powder. So when the lady served me with the tea, she was not having sugar-free. And I thought that she told me that I'll get sugar-free powder within a short while. I thought that considering the load of the flight, she must have forgotten. But dear friends, she has not forgotten. She noted my seat number. She took my jacket and keep it in a whatever storage they have in economy class and serve me with sugar-free powder. This is one of the examples. On airport, Emirates has a beautiful airport and one of the best airlines you can travel. If you have to travel to Dubai, ticket is not much. It's hardly 18,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Whereas other airlines, the tickets are much more. They have beautiful airports at separate airport at Dubai airport, and there is a conveyance. You have to travel by train. They have provided. There are beautiful lifts on the airport, and the capacity of the lift is around 20 people. So they will take you from one place to another by train, then to your baggage claim section or arrival section. They will take you to near your luggage. So dear friends, do not forget to travel with Emirates Airlines if you want to have a beautiful experience. And if you like, share this video with other people. And thank you so much for patient hearing. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog. Thank you very much.